The female energy is cyclical, it's breathing. So energy goes out into the world and energy retreats. This is what your breath is doing. It's cycling. And if we don't allow those cycles, that's when, if your animal is already taking a nap and encouraging you to take a nap, maybe you're going to have a dream or a vision or something magical happen in your meditation and your third eye opens, and that might be the moment that you hear that animal speak inside your brain for the first time in your life. That's the activation. That's moving into the other 96% of our being that we don't use.